Guides and surveys, take one, Mark.
And action, James.
Pop-ups,
Cut.
And surveys, take two, Mark.
pop-ups, gotta close them all.
James.
Guides and surveys, take three, Mark.
Pop-ups really Is it the like, is it
It's-
swearing? I didn't.
It's just all of it.
I just feel like we should be telling the people.
Take four, Mark.
Okay. I hate pop-ups, you hate pop-ups, but for some reason, they appear everywhere. On websites and in all the products that we use every day. We, as the builders of these things, keep shipping pop-ups to our users and customers, even though most of the time, they just get closed. What if instead we acknowledge the fact that users care about different things? Instead of useless pop-ups, we could engage them with personalized messaging that accounts for their history and their context. 4 years ago, we started a company called Command AI. Our goal was to help users without resorting to tactics like annoying pop-ups. In October, Command AI was acquired by Amplitude. We chose to team up with Amplitude because we wanted to unlock the power of Amplitude's rich customer data to help build precisely targeted, personalized nudges that drive results because users close them less. And today, we're thrilled to launch the first step in that journey, Amplitude Guides and Surveys. So with Guides and Surveys, you can now target a guide to specific users based on rules and actual behaviors. So like triggering a helpful nudge when users appear confused or when they seem frustrated. We also built in controls to make sure users only see topics that are highly relevant and specific to them. So with this launch, Amplitude now enables you to both learn from your users as well as take action to improve outcomes. So let's say you wanted to capture user feedback about something like a new feature. First, you can quickly set up a recurring NPS survey to give you a daily pulse on how the feature's doing. Then with Session Replay, you can watch the sessions of users who've submitted low scores to pinpoint specific problems that they might have run into. You want to fix this. You can build a targeted guide for just those users and even run an A/B test to assess its impact and make sure it actually did something. All of this happens in one unified interface. It doesn't require cobbling together multiple tools or redoing work in 3 different places. We think Guides and Surveys is the perfect tool for product, marketing, growth, and customer teams to influence the metrics that you care about. Here are some cool things you can do with it. First, you can create a customized onboarding program to make sure new users are set up for success. You can drive engagement with marketing content and events to keep your community in the loop. You can identify users and accounts that are ripe for expansion and encourage them to convert. And finally, you can capture user feedback at the moments that matter most, when those emotions are fresh. The promise of old school pop-ups was to get users to do what you want them to do. It's a very seductive idea, but we think those pop-ups miss the mark. Amplitude Guides and Surveys is our vision for a world where products and experiences are personalized, where instead of coercing users to do what you want them to do, you guide them toward what they want to do. And best of all, it's in lockstep with the work that you're already doing to understand your users and build the best things for them, all together inside of Amplitude. You can check out more on our website at amplitude.com.